Time for an oil change. We'll do a 60-second short, but this one's gonna take a little longer. So first off, we're gonna start off on the top, and we're gonna press in these two little notches and pull back. Okay, that's unlocked. We get flat. That one's already done. Then we got a third one back. First shape though, we'll get that all vacuumed out for them. I think there's enough room to get right here. I don't think we need. No, I don't think we really need to remove that. So we won't. Now we're coming down in front of the car. We're gonna need to remove one. Okay, well yours should have more than one, but this is a T27 Torx bit. Just pretty much just pushing it to the back side of the car. Once that out, get your jack stands back to where they were safely. Over here on the driver's side, this is the drain plug. It's facing the front driver's side tire. And this hose is kind of in the way, and I don't want to soak it with oil like everybody else has been doing. Everybody's been just leaving it here, letting it soak. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a little tug. That's perfect. Okay, so we're going to come right up front here. And this is a T10 hex. Oh my God. Someone had that a little too tight. Now you're going to want to make sure your drain container is large enough for how much oil. This thing holds 8 quarts of oil. So you're going to want to make sure you have enough space for 8 quarts of oil. While that's draining, I'm going to come in here with the 27 millimeter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some paper towels, shove it down there. I don't know if anything's going to drip out, but if it does, I want to catch it. I can see that some already is. Usually the oil filter is connected. There we go. Let's get this up and out of here quick. Do supply you with a new one. That's perfect. There's your new oil filter. Take it. Lock in like so. There, make it look nice and pretty enough again. Like I said, put that hose back. Now let's go up top. There's your oil fill cap. Give it a little quarter turn lift. Don't drop. There's your funnel. Now you're gonna need full synthetic 5W40. You're gonna need European. You could use they suggest Pennzoil, but or there's another brand. You're gonna need 8 quarts. Now this car does have a check engine light on, so I'm going to go ahead and check that. Going to Maserati. It's not what I want. I want hot functions, oil reset. Alright, so make sure it's the same time. We're at 10:38. The car says 10:38. Operation ended successful. Here we go. Oil light is off. And yeah, it's done. So that's all you do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.